Hey guys, Mav here. I wanted to go around and talk about the Weboost cell booster that I've installed into the Tacoma. I've had it for about 6 to 8 months now, and I just want to go a brief overview of how I wired it and my experience with it so far. So I've got the Weboost mounted to the top of the Sherpa roof rack, and then from there we have the wiring coming down along the edge of the A-pillar and actually down into the engine bay, and I have it hardwired to the Switch Pro on the inside, and I'll show you how that works in a second. Here on the inside of the truck, this is actually the unit itself that comes from Weboost. I have it mounted here under the passenger seat. And we have the wires ran from underneath through the cowl here, and then I have the wires going to the transponder that actually connects to your phone, and I have it mounted here. So they want it like within 36 inches of where your phone usually is in your vehicle. And then to actually get the power from the antenna and the power from the battery, I have it ran through the side of the door jamb and into the engine bay. This is actually how they recommend wiring it, because these wires that they provide are actually heavy duty and thick enough where they're not going to get damaged, and I've had no water come in yet from going through that weather seal. So like I said, I have the Weboost wired up to my Switch Pro. It's going to be that little whip button right there, so I can turn it on and off whenever I want to. If you do want to wire it this way, make sure you get their hardwire kit from their website. It was something that I missed and had to order and wait for later until I could actually get it installed. So from my experience so far, the Weboost has been working as advertised. It's not going to be like a miracle worker where if you have no service whatsoever, you're just going to have no service. But if it can pick up on anything that is nearby or close by, it's going to pick up and actually boost for you. So at the time of testing, I've had Verizon as my cell service, and everyone knows Verizon isn't very good. So it actually has been very helpful in very remote areas here around New Mexico and Colorado. At times where I've had maybe 1 bar, I can turn it on and boost it up to 2 or 3 bars to be able to send out a text message or a phone call or something. And there has been times where it's just been an SOS. Turn it on, I can get 1 bar, just enough to receive a text message or something when I'm out in the outdoors. I do highly recommend this product if you are someone who spends a lot of time outside of cell service areas, and just in case of emergencies. It's kind of the main reason why I picked up the Weboost. I think it's a great addition to anyone who has a vehicle that goes to remote areas, not just us overlanders. It'd be great for like a work vehicle or something, or someone who travels a lot. I'm excited to use it further now that I have T-Mobile as my phone service. T-Mobile so far has been amazing. I've had phone service everywhere that Verizon hasn't. And now with the Weboost, I think it's just going to even like supercharge the T-Mobile service even more. So I'll probably make another updated video talking about the difference between the Verizon and having T-Mobile now with the Weboost. If you have any more comments or questions, throw them down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button. It really helps build the channel up. And if you want more content on the Tacoma, hit the subscribe button and let me know that you want to see more stuff about the Tacoma. I'm going to have some more videos coming out soon. I know there's been a little bit of a hiatus. I've been posting some moto content, but now I've made a complete new moto channel. It's going to be Moto Mav. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description. So if you like dirt bikes and stuff, go check that one out. If you like Toyotas and overlanding and off-road stuff, stick here. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.